not to be cavalier, but this is a round head. That is a flathead.
Ah. That's great.
Let's see if Lucy will start.
Now, how old is Lucy? What?
1946.
That's what I thought. So she's a venerable piece of machinery here. Come on, Lucy. When she arrived.
And she arrived and would not start.
Right.
She had no wires to speak of. And Sophie's friends, and were you there too?
Yes.
Helped us to push her into this garage.
Right.
Then she had a bed on the back.
Uh-huh.
And was somewhat reluctant to enter her new home. But eventually she got used to it. And I've been taking her apart and putting her back together ever since.
That's great. Well, this is a momentous occasion.
Yes, her maiden voyage.
Her maiden voyage.
The alleys of Terre Haute from the cornfields of Nebraska.
Fabulous. And today is February 12th. 2012.
The 12th.
All right. Well,
so I will close the door on her and give her a rest now after this exertion.
Excellent.
I may have to push her in a bit. Because she's...
Do you need a hand?
It's a very tight fit, no?
Goodbye, Lucy. Sweet dreams.